why it is essential to impart Islamic education to kids by sending them to Islamic institutes.
Now I would like to call our last speaker, Mr. Huzaifa Usman from class 10 for the topic why Islamic education is important.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. It's a great pleasure to be given this opportunity to deliver a speech. The topic that I choose is why Islamic education is important. يَرْفَعِ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ دَرَجَاتٍ. Prophet, peace be upon him, guarantees that Allah will make an easy way to enter the paradise for those who seek knowledge. It means whoever chooses the right path and remains steadfast to it will be rewarded by Allah and will have a beautiful life after death. Education plays a crucial role in a person's life, and good quality education has a major role in character building and the overall personality development of a child. Societies are made up of students, and their education reflects on society. They build a positive society willing to work towards the better future of the world. All this is only possible with proper education. And the best form of education is to teach children the true values of Islam from an early age. The first and most basic step to impart quality education to a child is choosing the right educational institute. Muslim parents often neglect the fact that worldly education taught along with the teachings of Islam and its beautiful values is the perfect form of education. A child needs to blossom into a beautiful human being. Why it is essential to impart Islamic education to kids by sending them to Islamic institutes. The most important benefit of sending children to an Islamic institute is that it will lay a very strong foundation of Islamic beliefs in the child. Parents might not have complete knowledge of the faith and hence fail to provide the correct knowledge of Islam. Young minds of children are very impressionable if they are taught the correct teachings of Islam, like Tawheed, Seerah of the Prophet, Quranic Arabic, the importance of doing good deeds. It is more likely that they will grow up to become better practicing Muslims as compared to those children who do not receive a proper Islamic education. Children who attend conventional schools are exposed to a wide variety of fitna. They are encouraged to celebrate birthdays, New Year, and many other festivals and annual occasions that have no place in Islam. Islamic schools have no such practices as their activities are based on a curriculum that is set keeping in mind the Islamic values taught to us through the Quran and the Sunnah. Free mixing is a common sin that parents tend to overlook when choosing a conventional educational institute over the one that is Islamic. Islamic schools have separate classes for boys and girls, thus abiding by the laws of Islam which should never be neglected. Most of the institutes have a dress code for the girls that is immoral and extremely un-Islamic. Young girls dressed in short skirts are an open invitation to fitna. When girls are made to wear modest clothes from a young age, they develop a liking and understanding of the importance of hijab and dress according to the guidelines of Islam. It is a common knowledge that Islam is a complete way of life, and imparting Islamic education to kids would ensure that they are well prepared to lead a life based on the principles of Islam. Almost all major cities have at least one Islamic school where parents can send their children to obtain Islamic education along with the conventional subjects like English, math, and science. The shift from traditional education to an Islamic one, especially in the foundation years of the child, is the need of the hour. Considering the widespread fitna and misconceptions about Islam, the sooner we all understand this, the better it would be for the future of this ummah. May Allah guide us all towards the path of the righteousness and keep us firm on it. Jazakallah.